So I've got the Anker Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. This one's with the precision noise cancellation and superior voice reduction. So let's unbox these things and see what comes in the box. Okay, so you have to remove those two tags. Okay, and then let's check this. Let's check them out. They come in two main colors, black and white. So let's get in here and see what this look like and what comes in the box. So there you go. So we have the earbuds first. Those are the first things you'll see as soon as you get in the box. Let's look at everything else. Some documentation in Chinese. They have the CES badge here. Then you have your manuals. Something else is in here. Let's see. So that's empty. But we do have a charging cable. So this is a full-size USB to Type-C cable. And then in here we have some extra ear tips. There you go. So we have extra ear tips. And then now let's have a look at the main earbuds themselves. So that's the case. Now, if you can put everything else aside, just to have a look at the case, there it is. Okay, so it has a Type-C charging port. And in terms of size comparison, that's the AirPods Pro 2s and the Powerbeats Pro 3s. So you can see in terms of size, they're somewhere in between the AirPods and the Powerbeats. All right. So inside the case, how do you open the case? Let's see. You don't open, actually. You slide like that, and then you can take the earbuds off like that. So that's what the earbuds look like on first impression. Okay, and that's it. So that is the unboxing experience of the Soundcore Liberty 5 earbuds. Thanks for watching, and I'll be making subsequent videos, so make sure you stay tuned for those, and good luck.